Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's video, I'll be showing 6 nail paints that are recently my favorite. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the very first nail paint is by Faces and it's their Splash nail polish collection, and this is how it looks. It's a very basic, everyday nude kind of a color and the shade name is Floral Dream 56. मुझे ऐसे भी nude nail polishes बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है and this retails for ₹109 और अभी ये 30% off पे है Nykaa पे, so it retails for ₹76. For ₹76 I definitely feel it's a steal. Nykaa पे बहुत सारे variety of colors available है and I think you should definitely try this one. You need to apply 2 coats of this nail polish for the color to show, otherwise color show होगा नहीं, but the quality is good. It takes around 3 to 4 days for the nail polish to chip and अगर आप इस पे extra gel का एक coat लगा लोगे, so it will definitely stay on your nails for good 5 to 6 days. And yeah, I really like this one. This is actually my first purchase from Faces and I'm pretty impressed by this nail polish. Okay, so the second nail polish is by Nykaa and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful purple unicorn sort of a color and it's in the shade 180 Purple Unicorn, and this is how it looks on my nails. So whenever I'm looking for a pop of color on my hands, I always search for this nail polish. It retails for ₹179 and right now it's available on a 25% discount on Nykaa, so you can get it at ₹134. And आपको 2 coats लगाने होंगे इस nail polish का. 1 coat के साथ it looks really patchy. I'll be entering a clip so you can see. And yeah, I think if you're getting it on a 20 to 30% off, you should definitely go for this nail polish. आजकल ये lavender purple sort of a color बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है and yeah, it looks beautiful. It chips within 2 to 3 days if you don't apply a gel polish. Gel polish आप लगाओगे so it will easily stay for 6 to 7 days. And yeah, so let's move on to the next nail polish. Okay, so the next nail polish is again from Splash and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful mauve purple sort of a color and it looks really pretty. The shade name is Purple Rain 19 and again the retail price is ₹109 but it's available on a 15% discount on Nykaa. So it's available at ₹93 and this is how it looks on my nails. So the color is no doubt beautiful. अगर आप एक कोट लगाओगे तो भी बहुत अच्छा कलर आ जाएगा. Second coat पे I feel it clumps up a little, it gets a little weird, so you really have to be careful while applying the second coat. Third coat तो आप लगा ही नहीं सकते हो, जरूरत भी नहीं है and you just can't apply because it clumps up a lot. So I think ये color में ही थोड़ा issue है, but if you're getting it on a discount, the color is really pretty. I feel for ₹109 you can kind of skip it, you can pay a little more and buy a nail paint from Nykaa instead. ऐसे colors आपको बहुत मिल जाएंगे, but अगर आपको discount में मिल रहा है, you can definitely go for this nail polish. It is a beautiful color nonetheless. Okay, so this is the next nail polish and it is a very beautiful pearl unicorn sort of a color and मुझे ऐसे pearl nail polishes बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. I think it looks really elegant and this is how it looks on my nails. So one thing that I really like about this nail polish is the brush. The brush is of fine quality and जब आप apply करते हो nail polish काफ़ी evenly apply होता है. The shade name is 703 Dearest and I really like the way it looks on my nails. And this retails for ₹200 but अभी Amazon पे it's available for ₹150. I don't know, somehow I just couldn't find it on Nykaa but I'm sure अभी कोई ना कोई discount चल रहा होगा. And for ₹150 I think it's a great nail polish. The quality is really nice. Also Calabar nail polishes, most of them it takes around 5 to 6 days for it to start chipping and अगर आप gel polish लगा लोगे तो ज़्यादा देर तक भी टिक जाते हैं nail paints. So yeah, I really like this color and I think you should go for this one. Okay, so moving on to the fifth nail polish. It is this nail polish by OPI and it's a beautiful nude color. It is very pretty and it's in the shade Barefoot by Barcelona and this is how it looks on my nails. So I've just applied one coat of this nail polish and it's enough. This retails for rupees 850, so it is very expensive, but the quality of the brush is top notch. बहुत ही evenly apply होता है, and it also stays on the nails easily for 5 to 6 days without chipping. And if you're applying a top coat on top of it, then obviously it's going to stay for long. For 850, I personally feel it is a little expensive, so I would rather go for the mini versions. Yeah, 30 to 40% डिस्काउंट पे अवेलेबल है, सो आई वुड गो फॉर दैट. एंड या, सो दिस वाज इट. आई रियली लाइक दिस नेल पॉलिश एंड द कलर इज ब्यूटिफुल. अगर आपको डिस्काउंट में मिल रहा है या मिनी वर्जन मिल रहा है, या इफ यू डोंट माइंड स्पेंडिंग रुपीज 850 ऑन अ नेल पेंट, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट. Okay, so coming to the last nail polish, it's a top coat. Since पूरे वीडियो में मैंने top coat इतना mention कर दिया, I just felt like sharing which top coat do I use. So I use the one from Nykaa, and it's called the Shine On Top Coat, and this is my first bottle, and I pretty much like it. The quality is nice. इसका जो brush है ये काफी सही है. I'm just gonna show you. So this is how the brush looks. And it's priced at rupees 250. Abhi it's available on a 20% discount on Nykaa, so you can get it at rupees 200, and you can apply it as it is. And obviously agar aap nail polish ke upar apply karte ho, so it seals the nail polish and it helps the nail polish from chipping. So yeah, this is it for the video. If you guys like the video, do not forget to hit the like button, and for more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, and to get notified every time that I upload a new video, please hit the bell icon.